Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos we have learned about React 18 and I hope you are enjoying that all things which we have done here using React 18. So today we are also learning about React 18 and in this video I will be also telling you some of the different things using React 18. In this video I will be telling you how to use same element in React 18 means when you have used one element by importing it at the top, so how to use it as a tag, and I'll be telling you how to use the same element in React 18 in React.js and in React Redux. I've telling you in the previous videos like how to use same element in React.js, but I'm not telling you in this tutorial of React 18 how to use same element in React 18. So in this video I will be telling you how to use same element in React 18 and we'll be learning this thing from start in this video. So remember to see this video from start to end if you want to learn what is same element in React 18 and how to use it. And if you want to see more videos like that, so you can just see my previous videos which I have uploaded using React 18. I've also just you can see from start like I have just put the videos in which I have just telling how to create a new React 18 app, how to work with that, and what are the things included in React 18. So you can check that out because that will giving you help moving forward. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video and seeing how to build this amazing project here and what are the things included in this React 18 project here. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing what is same element in React 18 and how to use it from start to end. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project here using React 18, and today I'll be telling you what is same element in React 18 and how to use it like we have just learned in React.js and in React Redux also. So just now we'll be starting with our video. So for using the same element, you have to open your VS Code here, and after opening your VS Code, you can see here it is totally empty. So I will be opening my folder here, which is in local disk E. You can see this is the folder app1, and then I will be pressing select folder to open this. So you can see here I've opened this folder now. Then when you open this here, I will be now closing this public folder. This is the source file which we are getting here. Now here we have to run this. So I will be now moving to my terminal and I will be running my React 18 app here. So in the previous videos also I've telling you how to run that React 18 app. You can check that out, and I've also telling you in the first video of React 18 how to create your own React 18 app. But now we'll be running it because here we have already created. So here I'll be writing npm start. So you can see here I've written npm start command and our React 18 app is running. It is running our app1 folder and it is starting React script. So this is our main file app.js in which we were doing some of the codes. Previously on we have learned about Bootstrap API. So these are the codes about that. So I'll be removing this because today we'll be learning about same element here. So now here I will be saving it. You can see we are just now getting this import. So first of all we'll be importing our element which we want to here same as it is down. So we will be importing first of all our element, then we'll be working with our element here. So we can see that we are working with our same element. So you can see now when our app will be running here, React app, so we will be now working with that here. So it will be opening my Microsoft Edge default browser and running it here. There you can see starting the development server. It is our server here, Microsoft Edge. Localhost 3000 is our server where it is running. So I will be doing side by side. Coding side at the left, at the right we'll be getting interface side. So here when you've written this, just you have to now press Ctrl V to close side panel. So we are only getting the heading of Bootstrap API and the background black. So we'll be also removing this. So move in app.css and remove this. Save, and this background will be removing in some way here. So here I will be moving. You can see it has removed. We are now getting the title of Bootstrap API. So here I will be now changing the title, and here I will be now writing my own title where which we are using. So today we are working on same element. So here I will be writing title of same element like this. Save. You can see now we are getting the title changed here, same element. Now move to app.js file which is our main file, and now here we'll be starting the codes of our same element which we have to import here. So first of all you have to import your files here. So import this file which is called index.js. So here I will be now importing my file index. You can see this is my file here. So you can write .js as well if you want to write here directly, but after jx you have to write that. So you can directly close it here. Now you can see we have imported our index file from here. You can now work with this index file directly here, which is called as a same element. So I will be now writing a h1 tag here, means heading tag. So we can check our same element is working or not. So I will be writing here heading of same element. So we can just see that it is working. Yes. Now here we'll be moving to our app.js file. So you can see this is our file here, index. So here if I write h1 again, and in this h1 if I just write here this is good. So here if I write save, now you can see we are also getting here this is good, means our index.js file is working because we have linked it with app.js. So when we are just getting, when we have imported, because of that we are just now linking it with here. And if I just remove this thing save, so you can see here it is still having, because we have now removed, but in some while it will be removing here. Save here, and it is looking good. Means that our both file is working, our index.js as well and our app.js as well. So here I'll be writing here same element, means if I just write here heading 1. So here if I write app heading 1, if I write here, then if I move to my index.js file, here I will be writing heading 2, because it is our heading 2 in our index.js file. So you can see now we are getting heading 1 which we have written in app.js, and we have linked our index.js file with the app.js, so we can get our same element. So we are getting here our same element which is called heading 2. So you can see like this you can work with same element. Now if you want to style, so you can use index.css file as well. You can style this, you can erase all this stuff, save. You can see all the things has been removed. You can just style it by your own self here. Like if you want to give any other font family, like if you want to give here font family of Poppins, so you can just write here font family here and write here Poppins. You can give any of the styling you want to give. Save. You can see your font family has been changed here. Now you can just like this move down, and you can just take it into center by giving it some padding of 200 pixels. Save. You can see your text will be moving in here in the center if you do that all stuff. So here if you want that padding should be not too much, so you can just take it in center. You can see like this we are getting some padding here. So here like this you can work with your stuff like this. You can see we are getting heading 1 and 2 written here. So here now you can use div tag to just style that all stuff. Like you can give here background color as well, you want to give it your same elements. So you can give the background color of like blue. So here if I save, you can see background is changing into blue, the background color. And here you can same as do one thing, you can write here h1, and in h1 you can just give any other text color effect. Like if you write crimson, so you will be getting crimson color on your text, you can see, which is looking awesome. So like this you can do these all stuff here. You can also change into any other light color as well if you want to change here like this. You can see you can change into light color, you can change into greenish color, dark color. You can do different colors here, and you can just check that it is working or not. So like this same element works. So I hope you understand how this same element works. So for working with this same element, you have to first of all link your index.js file from your app.js file. So when you will be writing the code in your index.js file, so it will be just showing at the front end of your browser. So like this you can work with your same element. You can see we have written heading 1 here in our h1 in app.js, so we are showing it. Then if I move to index.js, we have written heading 2 here, so we are getting heading 2 here as well, means our same element is working. So like this we can work on with same element using app.js and index.js file. So I hope you understand what are same element in React 18, how to use it in React.js. I've also telling you how to use same elements and what are that. So if you have understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn about these things, because I'll be uploading more videos like that in coming up future. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.